Good morning children, I hope class 8's children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. As we have been doing playing with numbers and in last class just we have completed exercise 5B. In this class we are going to see playing with numbers under this, replacing alphabets by suitable numerals, and from exercise 5C few questions we will take, question number 1 to 8. So, let us start. Here you have replacing alphabets by suitable numerals. Example 1 you see, replace A, B, C, D by suitable numerals in the following. Suppose you have been given 6 A, B, 5 D, 5, 8, C, and you need to add these and your sum is 9351. What is required to be done? Just you see, you need to fill this A, B, D and C. In this place you need to put numerals. So, how we will know what numerals will be put? So, this is so easy, already I think before also you might have done. So, here you see how it has been done. Here 5 plus C is equal to 1, it has been given. So, if you are adding on 5, just you see, if you are adding something on 5, suppose 5 plus 1 will be 6, 5 plus 2 will be 7, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 and 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. So, it means here if it is coming 1, it means 6 has been added and that is why you have got 11. So, 1 you have written over here and 1 you have over here. So, by this way we need to know, we need to judge, we need to assume, or you must know what number should be added so that 1 you will be having in one's place. So, 6 has been added, so you have got C is equal to what? 6, this you have got. Now, you see here you have already 1, then B and 8. So, again the same thing is required to be done, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Then you need to get in one's place 5. So, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, 9 plus 2 is equal to 11, 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. So, what we will add? 9 plus 6 we will add, so that we will get 15. Here you see one's place we need to get 5. So, 6 is required to be added in place of B, or 6 is required to be put in place of B. So, B will be 6 again. So, here you see 5 you have got, again 1 you have in hand. So, again just you see 1 plus 5 has become 6. So, 6 and here you need to get 3, again the same process is required to be applied. So, just you see 6 plus 1 will be 7, 6 plus 6 will be 12 and you need to get in one's place 3. So, it means 6 plus 7 you will write, so that you will get 13. So, in one place 3 can be written, again you will be having 1 in hand. So, what you have got? A is equal to 7. Now, 1 and 6, 7 plus what you will write, so that you will get 9. So, 7 plus 2 you will write, 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So, D will be equal to what? 2. So, finally, what you have got? You have got A is equal to, just you see, A is equal to you have got 7, B is equal to 6, C is equal to 6 and D is equal to 2. So, in this way you need to know what value, suitable value we will put, what suitable numerals we will put in place of A, B, C and D. So, by doing this process you need to find out. So, if you are practicing more and more, suppose many questions you are solving and you are practicing easily, by seeing itself these things will not be required to be done. By seeing it itself you will know what number will be put over here, so that we will get 1. So, that practice is required. Next you see, find the values of A, B and C in the following. The same thing is there, same thing is required to be done over here also. Here you see, here subtraction is there, you need to subtract this. So, here we need to know by which number we will subtract 8, so that we will get 3. So, for that what is required to be done? Just you add these numbers, 8 plus 3 will be 11. So, in place of A it should be 1, because 11 you cannot write, 1 you will write. So, here if you are doing subtraction, what we would do, we will borrow 1 from 5, so it will become 11, and 11 minus 8 will be 3. So, like that we need to do. Now, here you have 4. What you have? 4. Now, 4 and here you need to subtract what number, so that you will get 8. So, definitely 4 if you have, we need to borrow from 3. So, it will become 14. So, 14 minus what number we will put, so that we will get 8. So, 14 minus 6, B should be what? 6. 14 minus 6 would be 8. Now, here what you have? Here you have 2. So, 2 minus what we will write, so that we will get 1. So, in place of C what we will write? 1. So, 2 minus 1 will be 1. So, in this way we need to do. Just you see how it has been done. 11 minus 8 is equal to 3, A is equal to 1 and 1 is taken away from 5. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. So, B is equal to 6 and 1 is taken away from 3. Now, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So, C is equal to 1. So, A is equal to 1, B is equal to C and C is equal to 1 you have got. Next you see, addition and subtraction you saw how it is to be done. Now, you see, find the values of A and B in the following. 4A into 6. So, just you multiply. If you are multiplying 6 into A, so that you will get 4. So, how you will get, you see, 6 into 1 will be 6, 6 into 2 is equal to 12. So, once digit we need to see, 6 into 3 18, 6 into 4 24. Now, you see 4 you have got once digit. So, this should be 6 into 4, so that you will get 24. So, suppose A is equal to 4 you are writing, 6 4 ja 24, 2 you have, 6 4 ja 24, 24 and 2 26. So, it will become, in place of B what will be 6. So, finally, what you have got? A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 6. In this way we need to find out. Here you see how it has been done. 6 into 4 is equal to 24. So, A is equal to 4, carry over 2. 6 into 4 plus 2 is equal to 26. So, B is equal to 6 and finally, you have got A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 6. So, in this way you need to know what suitable value we will put, what suitable numeral we will put in place of A, B, C, D, whatever is there. So, that we will get the exact number or exact sum, either that is addition, subtraction or multiplication, division. Find the values of A, B, C when A B into B A is equal to B C B. Here what has been done, you see. Suppose if you are multiplying, this is required to be, you need to understand this how it is to be done. Here you see A and B, if you are multiplying you are getting B. A into B is equal to B. It means what? If B you are getting any number, if you are multiplying with 1, what you will get? The same number. Suppose if you are multiplying 100 into 1, what you will get? 100. So, if B is being multiplied with A, then you are getting B. It means A is equal to what? 1. Then only you can get B into 1, then only you will get B. Then A into A means 1 into 1 will be 1. And then you see B into B, here you see A into B you have got B, it means A is equal to 1. Thus, we have here, suppose in place of A you have written 1 and in place of A you have written 1. Now you multiply this. 1 into B, B you have got, 1 into 1, 1 you have got. Now B into B, what you will get? B square, B into 1 you will get B. Now you need to add this B, 1 plus B square and B. Here you see what you have got, B 1 plus B square and B. Now you see in place of B, B you have, in place of this B again B you have, but in place of C what you have? In place of C you have 1 plus B square. It means what? C is equal to 1 plus B square. Now we need to find out the value of C, because already we have got the value of A, that will be 1, but we need to find out the value of C and B. How we will find out? Just you see, since if any number would be, suppose if B is equal to 5, so 5 and 5, and in place of C some number would be, but this number will be one digit number. This number will be one digit number. So it is sure that 1 plus B square will be one digit number. So 1 plus B square will be one digit number. One digit number means it may be, see 1 it cannot be, because in 1 you are adding something. So 2 also it cannot be, just you see, if no, 2 can be, because if you are putting the value of B, just you see now in this way, suppose C is equal to 1 plus B square will be one digit number, this will be one digit number. So it may be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, because 10 it cannot be. Now we need to find out the value of B, suitable value we need to find out B, so that it should come under this 2 to 9. Now you see 1 plus, start with value 2. Suppose if you are putting 2, what you will get? You will get 1 plus 2 square means 4, it means 5. So when your value will be 2 of B, C will be 5. When the value of B will be 2, your value of C will be 5. Next value you try to put, suppose if B is equal to 3 we are putting. If we are putting B is equal to 3, then in this case C will be what? 1 plus 3 square, it means 1 plus 9, it means 10. So C cannot be 2 digit number. C cannot be 2 digit number, and that is why these values also if you will put, you will get 2 digit number. So 2 digit number it cannot be, C cannot be 2 digit number, and that is why the value of B would be 2 only, not 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. Only the value of B 2 you will have, then only C can be one digit number. Because the value of C, if you are putting 2, then you are getting 5. So 5 can be, but if more you will put, you will get 2 digit number. So that is not possible, and that is why the value of B will be 2, the value of B will be 2 and value of C will be 5. So finally your number will be 2, 5 and 2, and this will be your answer. B is equal to 2, C is equal to 5 and B is equal to 2, means 252. This will be your answer. Next you see, find the values of A, B, C in the following. Again the same thing is required to be done. You need to divide and you need to see what value will come. Suppose by 9 you are dividing 4A, means 2 digit number you have. So 9 5 ja 45, suppose you have written. So if you are subtracting this A minus 5, so what value we will put in place of A, so that we will get 3. So, a minus 5 is equal to 3. So, a should be 8. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So, the value of a you have got, a is equal to 8. Now, here you see 3 you have got. Now, b will be taken down. So, now your number is 3b. Now, 9, how many times we will take? So, that we will get 36. Here you see in 2 digit number, in between 31 to 39 we need to see in table of 9 which will come. So, if you are writing table of 9, multiplication table of 9, 9 4 is 36. If 9 5 you are doing, that will become 45. So, this cannot be taken. So, 9 4 is 36 we will take. So, 9 in place of C, what we need to write? 4. 9 4 is 36. Now, you subtract. So, if you are subtracting this, if remainder is 0, it means B should be what? B should be 6, 36. So, finally, you have got A is equal to 8, B is equal to 6 and C is equal to 4, and this is your answer. Here you see, you need to find the values of A, B, C, D, E, F, G in the following. As it has been given, 4 C, D, E is required to be divided by A, B, and quotient you have got 1 F, G, and these things you have got. So, you need to find out A, B, and then you have C, D, E and F, G. So, how it is to be done? Just you see, if AB has been multiplied by 1, AB into 1, you have got what? 28. It means what? AB is equal to what? AB is equal to 28. It means A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 8. It is very much clear over here. So, here you have 2 and here you have 8. Now, if you are subtracting 8 from C and you are getting 5, it means you need to write over here 3. So, that it will become 13, and 13 minus 8 will become 5, and then you have here 3 and 3 minus 2 you have got 1. So, C you have got 3. So, now you have got 1 5 D, D has been taken down. Now, if you are multiplying 28 to what number? So, that you have got 140. So, just you multiply 28 into, if 5 will be written, just you see 5 8 is 40, 5 2 is 10 and 4 14, 140 you have got. It means in place of F, if 5 would be there, then only you will get 140. So, F you have got 5. Now, you see, if from D 0 is getting subtracted and you are getting 6, it means D is equal to what? 6. 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. So, you have got D is equal to 6. Now, you have here 1 6 E, E has been taken down, your number is 1 6 E, and then you have got G times it has been multiplied. 28 into G, you have got 1 6 E. So, just you see, if by 20 with 28 you have multiplied 5 and you have got 140. If 6 times you are multiplying, what you will get? 6 8 is 48, 6 2 is 12 and 4 148. If 7 times it will be taken, no, 6 8 is 48, 4 you have, 6 2 is 12 and 4 168. It means if you are multiplying by 6, you are getting 168, 168. So, here it would be G would be equal to, because if more time if you are multiplying 7 times, 1 6 will not come. Even 5 times if you are multiplying these 2 digit, what you have 1 6 will not come, only 1 6 it will come if you are multiplying by 6. So, definitely you need to multiply by 6. It means in place of G, if you would be having 6, then only you will get 1 6 over here. So, if 6 times you are multiplying, you are getting 168. It means in place of E you need to have 8. So, finally, you have got E is equal to 8. So, just you see A is equal to 2, B is equal to 8, C is equal to 3, E is equal to 8 and D is equal to 6 and F is equal to 5 you have got. So, in this way this is required to be done and should be found out. Then you have exercise. So simple exercise, in exercise so simple questions are there. Here you see first question, what you will add, addition is there, what you will add to 7 so that you will get over here 3. So, just you find out 7 plus 1 will be 8, 7 plus 2 will be 9, 7 plus 3 will be 10, 7 plus 4 will be 11, 7 plus 5 will be 12, 7 plus 6 will be 13. So, these all the things are not required to be done. If more practice you are doing, directly you can see and you can judge that what number should be there, so that you will get 3 over here. 7 plus 6 if you will write, you will get 13. So, in place of A should be 6, 6 plus 7 13, 1 each carry over, 1 and 5 became 6, 6 and 8 is 14. So, in place of B you will have 4 and in place of C you will have 1. So, finally, you have got A is equal to 6, B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 1. Next you see, if you are adding some number on 6 and you are getting 3, it means again 6 plus 1 is equal to 7, 2 is equal to 8, 3 is equal to 9, 4 is equal to 10 and so on. So, 6 plus 7 if you will do, you will get 13. So, that in one's place you will get 3. So, in place of A what you will have, what you need to have 7, A is equal to 7, 6 plus 7 is equal to 13, again 1 in hand. So, 1 and 9 10 it became, 10 plus what number you will put in place of B, so that you will get 7. So, 10 plus 7 will become 17. So, in place of B what should be there, again 7, A is equal to 7 and B is equal to again 7, 7 plus 9 is equal to 16 and 1 17. Now, 1 is there, 6 and 1 7, 7 plus what you will write, so that you will get 11. So, 7 plus 4 will be 11. So, C will be 4, 7 plus 4 is equal to 11, again 1 you have, 4 and 3 7 and 1 8. So, finally, you have got A is equal to 7, B is equal to 7 and C is equal to 4. Here you see A plus A plus A is equal to A. What does it mean? If any number you have, if you are adding those many times and the same number is coming, it means just you see 1 plus 1 plus 1, if 3 times it will be added, you will get 3. If any more numbers you will write 2 plus 2 plus 2, you will get 6 and so on. Only one digit you have 0. If you are adding this many times, the same you will get. So, in place of A, what it should be? A is equal to 0. So, A you have got 0. A is equal to 0. Now, in place of B, just you see, in tens place, what number it should be? In tens place, see, if 0 you are adding, in tens place nothing you will have, because only 0 plus 0 plus 0 you are adding, you will get 0. In it means in place of B also it should be 0, no other number will be there. Here you see 5 7 4 we have. So, 4 in place of B we had written 4. So, already 4 we have. In place of C we have got 7. B plus 1, B plus 1 means what? 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 is what? 5. So, 5 7 4 answer we have got. So, finally, we have got A is equal to 1, B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 7, and this may be your answer. Any other values also, if you want to try, you can try, and you may get some other values also. In place of A, B and C, especially in place of A and B, you can put some other values also, and it may happen that answer will be correct. So it is not necessary what values you have got now, this is only the correct answer. Other value also you can put and you can try. Next you see, this is so easy. 6 9 ja 54. What value you will put over here, so that after subtraction you will get 3. So here you see A should be 7, so that 7 minus 4 will be 3, and 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Now B has been taken down. Now you see, since remainder is 0, so here it also should be 36. It means B should be 36, and 6 ja 36 we know, and that's why C should be 6. So finally you have got A is equal to 7, B is equal to 6, and C is equal to 6, and this is your answer. So I hope up to here you have understood, and from 9 and onwards again you try solving by yourself if you can. Otherwise we will see in next class. Until then, thank you.